Stop. Faithful ka ba sa iyong studies? Listen, top ones. A company under Dole wants to determine if there is a correlation between the number of years of experience of employees and their salaries. Which statistical test should be used to analyze data? The question, top ones. A company under Dole wants to determine if there is a correlation between the number of years of experience of employees and their salaries. Which statistical test should be used to analyze data? A. T-test, B. Chi-square test, C. Correlation test, and D. ANOVA. Okay, top ones, let's go back to the situation and the question. Okay, first thing and foremost, you need to differentiate the two, which is mahiwagang keywords and mahiwagang answer. All you have to do is to pair it both so that you would derive your final nearest answer. Okay, what is your clue? What is your keyword? In finding the keyword or keywords, there are two: primary keyword or clue and secondary keyword. And what is your primary keyword? Your primary keyword is correlation and analyze. That is your primary. What is your secondary keyword? Your secondary keywords is the number of years of experience of employees and their salaries. Okay? Next is to pair it with your mahiwagang answers. All you have to do is to review your basics, fundamentals, and theories. Okay? Is it t-test, chi-square test, correlation test, and ANOVA? Okay, top ones. Let's try to um, differentiate each top ones. Okay? If we say chi-square test, that is an expected frequency. If t-test, two groups. Difference between two groups. ANOVA, difference between three or more groups. Basta ANOVA, three or more groups. D. Regression analysis, that is modeling between two or more variables. Ang correlation test, the strength and the direction of the relationship between two variables. Okay? Correlation test, strength and direction of the relationship between two variables. Okay? Let's go back to the question. Top ones. You have the correlation, the number of years of experience of employees and their salaries. So the question is, which statistical test should be used to analyze the data? So, medyo marami kasi number of years of experience of employees and their salaries. The correct answer is very good, very good. Letter C, correlation test. Bakit correlation test? It's talk about the strength, okay, of the variables. You have the number of years of experience of employees and their salaries. Okay, top ones. If you learned something, kindly like, share, and comment this video so that you would receive more drills, more actions, and more questions every single day. Okay? Thank you very much for listening, top ones. And by the way, top ones, ano yung hahanapin nyo sa question also? You have your absolute keywords. Okay, bonus lang po ha. Absolute keywords are like least, most likely, never, except, all but one. So those are examples which help you to find your answer. And what are the subjects or lessons you need to study more, which are favorite by board members and the chairman? You have your professional ethics and morality. You have a constitution and laws. You have your basic logic. You have your statistics, research, and mathematics. Okay? Thank you very much for listening, top ones, and God bless po. If you need something, help, kindly message us. God bless.